What are the record views in Buopso? Hello, in this video, we will be discussing the different record views available in Buopso. They cater to your diverse preferences, workflows, and organizational needs. There are several record views in Buopso: Grid View, Split View, Kanban View, and the Chart View. You may already be familiar with the Grid View from the previous videos. Well, don't worry if you are not, because we'll be starting this video with the Grid View. The Grid View offers a structured view of the leads in the pipeline and their associated details. The Grid View is like a spreadsheet, where each row is a lead, and each column contains the details associated with the leads. By clicking on the lead in any column, you will reach the lead details page of that particular lead. The lead details page provides all the information about the lead, and the custom details section below allows you to add advanced details about the lead that you gather while nurturing that lead. Here, you can add the lead address, upload attachment, and add a custom form to collect more information. You can know the history of activities performed on the lead. You can also create and save notes related to the lead. That's it for the Grid View. Now let's move to the Split View. The Split View divides the screen into a lead list panel and the lead details panel, which shows the details of the lead selected in the lead list. The dual pane interface allows you to view and manage leads efficiently. Like the Grid View, from the custom details section below, you can add the address, attachments, and custom forms to add the details you gather while nurturing the lead. You can also know the activities performed and create and save notes. Next is the Kanban View. The Kanban View organizes and displays lead as cards on a board placed under stages. The card displays concise information about the lead. You can go to the lead details page by clicking the three dots and selecting Edit. Here, the leads are arranged by their stage. You can simply drag and drop the card from one stage to another. Finally, the Chart View. The Chart View presents the visual representation of the lead data, allowing you to analyze trends, patterns, and performance metrics. So that's all for the record views in Buopso. We'll meet in the next video with some more important explainers.